Hi everyone, Miguel from Activeloop here. Today we're excited to release Deep Lake AI Knowledge Agent that is capable to conduct deep research on your multimodal data and answer any question you might have. We're truly multimodal. That means that we're actually able to extract much more insights than just text from your data. For instance, if you upload a PDF, we will be able to get information from the figures or the images or the tables that are included there. Also, if you have a complicated use case such as patent search or drug discovery, medical insurance claims processing, we're able to query across different modalities of data such as images, MRI scans, you name it. Over time, your deep lake AI knowledge agent becomes more like you. It understands what queries and what answers are you looking for, becomes a domain expert in your industry and retrieves more accurate results. Now, most common use case for a deep lake AI knowledge agent would be your data being on a Dropbox or S3 or Azure or GCP. And what we can actually do is we can query this arbitrarily large multimodal data as if it were local to your machine. For those of you more technically inclined, this means that beyond just the data, we offload the index onto the S3, which makes the query is computationally much more cost efficient, but still very performant. And we keep the results sub-second. Now, let's see this in action. First of all, you're able to choose the thinking mode. It's either fast or slow. To ask a question, I'm going to select PubMed articles, which are medical articles. And I'm going to ask a query whether the amount of hours worked also affect performance. Now, this is where magic starts happening. Deep Lake AI Knowledge Agent is able to decompose the query, understand what information it needs to answer your query correctly and highly accurately, and then conducts its research. It might take it a while, up to 8 to 10 minutes, but it will be super accurate and precise when it comes back to you with a response. Deep Lake AI Knowledge Agent will break down your question into sub questions, plan their execution, and will find enough evidence to be able to answer your question appropriately. After a while, Deep Lake AI Agent will come back with a well researched, well referenced answer, including also some multimedia results. In this case, a part of the answer was influenced by the information we've detected from a table. Now let's try something more complicated. We're going to add the entire corpus of data from the internet. This is the largest data set to ever exist. And the second one would be the data set of radiology images from patients. I'm going to ask it to summarize recent breakthroughs in brain edema research. The agent will understand that it needs to go look through scientific literature on PubMed. It will gather evidence and generate a well researched answer. Next, we'll ask it to actually correlate the findings with the radiological MRI data that we have included. The agent is going to go and understand which of the results of the radiological findings actually contain instances of brain edema and then cross reference them. The next step would be asking it, okay, how does this apply to actually my patient data? Very importantly, our agent won't hallucinate. It will understand we actually don't have that data available and it will prompt you to upload the missing data. Once you connect your locally stored data, it will have all the three resources. So internal trial data, lab tests, radiological images, as well as latest research to cross-reference all of these three sources together and will come up with a well-thought researched answer. So there you go, folks. We're really excited to launch on Product Hunt. We'll invite any feedback that you might have, and we're excited to see what questions you will answer with the help of Deep Lake AI Knowledge Agent. Thanks a lot.